Playful learning environments are setting up an environment where children and families have the opportunity to learn, providing the materials that they need to solve a problem, to answer a question, to be curious together.
We want to give families not only the space to learn together, but also the time to play and explore and engage in new learning.
It's important that we reach the families in their comfort zones, in their communities, where they go, whether it's a school, whether it's a library, a church, any type of setting where they are familiar.
We're going to have a straw that we're going to tape to the middle, and then you're going to get a
These workshops provide children with a very playful way of exploring the concept using everyday materials. The activities can be easily replicated at home.
We have all this paper, these junk mails, these flyers that come in. Instead of throwing them away, use materials that you already have, and this is a great activity for that.
Having fun is an important part of this workshop. So what I try to reinforce is that they are playing, but as they're playing, they're learning. Sometimes they'll say that too, I didn't know learning could be so much fun. So even though we are having fun, it's fun with a purpose.
What do you think? Do you need to do it the same on both sides?
The facilitator's role is helping families to see that this is something that they can be doing, and we're not doing the task for them, but assisting them so that they feel comfortable and they're able to do it with their child.
As a facilitator, my role is just to walk around, ask, do you need help? That way they become more confident and they are the experts in what they're doing.
We want to try to learn from each other.
Playful learning environments isn't just about space. We value the process more than the final outcome.
We need to have the knowledge to be able to solve problems in daily life. So it isn't about that shiny thing that we have at the end. It's about all the hard work and knowledge that we had to put into that product to make it actually come to fruition. 2, 3, By engaging in play and learning, it's an amazing, fun experience.